Okay, so check this out. 1970 240Z, just restored here by California Datsun, and we are proud of this one. This car's got all the bells and whistles, and I'll do a quick walkthrough and show you what we did to it, and then kind of explain what I can while I can, because it looks a little gloomy today, so I want to get this in before the rain starts. So since we're in the back end, let's start there. Rear bumper delete, European tail lights. This is finished in a dark gunmetal gray. It has the stainless steel exhaust. We did some custom plumbing there for the fuel system. Underneath it's got all the good stuff too, the R200 LSD, the adjustable lower control arms, so that makes the car handle well. It's got coilovers on it, so we can get these monster wheels into it. It's got a rear disc brake conversion with the built-in e-brake that you see that's common on our builds. Some humongous 315 35 17 tires. Those are genuine watts that we had made by our buddies over at Love 20B. Again, Series 1, early car. I'll let this helicopter go through and shut up for a second while you look at the inside. Full leather interior. When I say full leather, I mean everything. Door panels, headliner, visor. We had custom door panels made by our friends over at Rogelio's Upholstery. Did a little stainless steel insert here, two-tone leather. He made us some very cool speaker pods. We got the embroidered floor mats, brand new dashboard, Momo steering wheel and shift knob. We'll show you the gauge cluster here, which is really sharp. Again, those are speed hut gauges, and they look great. Little air fuel ratio gauge. Series 1 with the ever so expensive ashtray. This car is an Arizona car, so it will get air conditioning. It has air conditioning. Very nice attention to detail. I love the way they did the seats. Again, with the two-tone and then the light gray stitching, the double stitching. Then we'll walk around back and kind of show you that too. Again, full leather everywhere, including all the plastics, so there's no exposed old Datsun plastic anymore. That's all covered in genuine leather. It's got this very cool 6x9 speaker box with some Rockford Fosgate speakers in it, so it sounds great. And then of course that strut bar that helps it handle better and makes the decorative ends there look a little nicer from the coilovers. And oh, you can see the attention to detail on the dog legs from that that little insert there for the that's matches the door panel rather. Really nice. Let's take a look at the engine bay. This is a 3-liter, switch hands here, 3-liter stroker motor that is fuel injected. Individual throttle bodies, using the ZX distributor as the crank angle sensor. See the chrome air conditioned compressor down there. Champion 3-row radiator with a couple of nice fans. Did a little custom work on the valve cover that's powder coated in black, and those cool angled air horns really set it off. AGM battery over there, all wired properly by my buddy Jose Lalama, who does all of our electrical work here, and he puts great attention to detail, labeling every little wire and sensor. So if any diagnosis needs to be done, he knows right how to do it. We will scooch over to the other side here. See the individual coil packs. Those are LS coils. So it really sets the engine bay off. Got some polished decorative goodies down in there. The relays. Nice little voltmeter in the battery terminal. But this thing is sharp and it runs as good as it looks. And then another look at these beautiful 10-inch watts in the front and then 12-inch in the rear. Those are beauty. I'll give you one more look at the inside here from the passenger side. All the vents are brand new. Nice Kenwood stereo in it. Cup holder armrest, that's also wrapped in leather. I mean, this car is amazing. There's my little dog who thinks so too. Right, Sherm? All right, so if you're looking for a Datsun to be restored, a 240Z specifically, give us a call. Look us up at californiadatsun.com and we'll give you all the details. Thanks for watching.